Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to be making this ocean water and mantra tutorial. So what you're gonna start off by doing is dropping a geo node down, diving into that, dropping down a grid node, bringing that up, size 200, no, size 50, sorry, size 50, size 50, rows and columns 500, 500. Drop a ocean spectrum node down to the right of the grid, and then an ocean evaluate here. Connect this grid to the ocean evaluate and the ocean spectrum to this. Make that visible. Now you have some sort of an ocean. Okay, now on ocean spectrum, scroll up to grid size, change that to 25. Time scale to 0.8. Scroll down to speed, change that to 3.15. Direction to 180. Change the spectrum type to Phillips. Change the chop to 0.4. Go to this amplitude tab and set the scale to 1.4. Go to OBJ level and turn visibility off. Drop down another geonode. Name this surface. Dive in. Drop down a grid node. 50 by 50 in size again. But then rows and columns, set them as 2 each. Then come out of here, duplicate this node, and name this new duplicated node volume. Now dive into the volume, connect a poly extrude, make that visible, set the distance, scroll up, distance -5. Scroll down and tick on output back. Then connect a reverse node to the poly extrude, make that visible, create a cam. Obviously you can adjust this, but I'm just gonna leave it there. Simple. I probably will adjust it though. Go to material palette, ocean volume and ocean surface, so these two here. Ocean surface, drag that on. Ocean volume, drag that on. Then go back to the OBJ network. On surface, go to render, material, pick ocean surface, accept. Then do the same with volume, but with the volume, ocean volume. So here, accept. Then now I need you to go to polyhaven.com. Pick a HDRI. I picked the Cape Hill one because it's just tropical. It's like a nice tropical sea type look, and that's what I'm going for. But you can pick whatever ocean HDRI or whatever HDRI you want. So to bring it in your HDRI, you're going to want to drop an environment light down. Then environment map, once you've downloaded it off Polyhaven. I got Cape Hill, Cape Hill. I'm going to position my view. So I want my view to be like here. Alright, I'm pretty happy with that. So once you've done that, go back to geonode on ocean spectrum. Connect a blast node. Pick the group spectra, delete non-selected. Then drop a file cache node. File path explicit. Save it where you want to save it. So I'm gonna go to D drive, ocean tutorial. I'm gonna copy that. And then just paste it over this. And I'm gonna name it as OC cache. Then I'm gonna shorten my file to 100 frames and save to disk. Now on geometry file, copy parameter, go to material network. On both of these materials, go to displacement, spectrum geometry, paste relative reference, and do the same for ocean volume. We'll have a look what that looks like in render view. So what I'd suggest to do is go to scene view and just drop down a distant light. And then go to render view again. Click render, and that should update and give it a bit more light. And that is how you create an ocean in Houdini.